Okay guys, so you've tuned in to see the top 5 keto meals for lunch. Now, if that's what you're looking for, stay tuned. We're looking at 5 fantastic keto lunches for busy people. So if you're on the move and you really need to make your lunch quickly, these are awesome and ones that you can do within a very few amount of minutes. So guys, why is that perfect? Well, because we all know that keto is cooking intensive. Every time you must cook your meal, and actually it's very hard to find things that are already processed, things that are already done for the diet. So why is that good? Because then you control all those single ingredient or healthy whole foods that go into your diet. So you don't get any other junk. Now, here we go. Let's look at lunch number 1. Okay guys, here you go. So you can see here, chicken Caesar salad. Now, why is chicken Caesar salad a fantastic lunch for busy people? Here we go. High in protein and healthy fats to keep you full and in ketosis. So it's very simple, guys. You can see here it's high protein, low carb, quick and easy, budget friendly, and keto approved. So not only is it fantastic for the keto diet, it's also fantastic for your wallet. So let's have a look here. Net carbs come in at 2.6 grams. Well, this is fantastic. This is very low. This is actually one of my favorite meals to make. It's absolutely fantastic and delicious. Now, this is slightly different from my one. I usually add in as well walnuts or pecans and some cheese, and that makes it absolutely delicious. So I usually add cheddar cheese. Again, this is Parmesan. So here we go. You've got all the ingredients here for your meal. You've got your fat and protein there, plenty of fat and protein, absolutely conducive for a keto diet. Now, you can see obviously, here we go. You've got cooked chicken breast, you've got romaine lettuce, Parmesan cheese, you've got Caesar dressing, you've got olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, which is minced, and salt and pepper to taste. So with all these ingredients, you've got the breakdown of the carbs that they contribute, guys. And what you can do is that you can take a screenshot of these and then you can prepare them yourselves. So very simple and straightforward. You can prepare this in no time, mix it all together, bam, you've got a fantastic salad. And you can see there it's ready in about 10 to 15 minutes. You can bash this out, no problem. Everything is really easy to do. Again, with the chicken itself, you're going to have to, most likely have that, cooked in advance. What you do is you keep it cooked and chilled in the fridge. If not, as long as you've got chicken, which is okay, you can cook it there and then, and it'll still be 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure you flip it over when you're frying it in the pan. So, again, very simple and straightforward. A fantastic first meal there, guys. Okay, meal number 2. So you can see here a bunless bacon cheeseburger bowl. So again, fantastic for keto, all the whole main ideas here, but this is now one which is making it a little bit different. It's giving you something to add variety. So you've gone from the chicken, now you're moving on to beef. You can make it whatever meat you want, but the main idea now is you're making it similar to a burger in taste. So what we can see here is you have net carbs, 2.9 grams. So net carbs are quite low, which is awesome. You have fat as well and protein there. So the main idea is, let's have a look at the ingredients. You've got beef mince, but use 20% beef mince. The fatter the better. The flavors are awesome. Cheddar cheese, obviously, and you want to use that and be careful how much you use. I put 0.4 in there, but try to find one that is 0 rated. You can find 0 rated cheddar cheese. There's bacon in there as well, guys. Again, a lot of bacon is near 0 carb, but I put some in there just in case. Lettuce. You've got tomato and pickles, and these are the main carbs now, and mayonnaise there. So have a look at what you're using. You've got a small amount of it there, but you're also getting carbs, and it's accumulative. So make sure you always add these up in your journal, and then you go, okay, these are adding up to 2.9 grams overall. So that's how you should be journaling your keto logs, or how you should be keeping that information of what you eat. So fantastic. I like this one as well. I like making my own little keto burgers. They're absolutely awesome, really enjoyable, and I always try as hard as I can to find 0 carb cheese. Again, you can lower this down to probably, I would assume, down to say about probably 2.2 to 2.3 grams of carb. Yes, it's mostly coming from the vegetables or the fruit that you've included. So the bunless bacon cheeseburger bowl, that's going to take you only about 10 to 15 minutes. The most of that time is going to be in all the preparation and then obviously cooking the burger as well. You can do it all at the same time. It's going to take 10 to 15 minutes maximum. So a fantastic quick meal. Okay guys, so moving on to number 3. So here you go, you can see number 3 here. It's tuna mayo lettuce wraps. So light, refreshing, and packed with protein. Yes, I've had these. These are absolutely awesome. They're fantastic. They're tasty. And with eating them like a wrap, it really does feel like that. And that's what makes it, again, good for your psychology. They're quick. They're awesome. They're tasty. They're light. They're refreshing. So let's have a look here. You have 2.4 grams of net carbs. Okay, so those 2.4 grams of net carbs come here. You've got tuna and spring water drained. You've got mayonnaise. You've got romaine lettuce leaves. You've got cucumber. You've got celery. You've got cheddar cheese, and you have black pepper. So pepper and salt to taste. So again, really handy, and you can do it as you see, fit. So very low in carbs, 2.4 grams, absolutely awesome. So when you come to do this, it really does feel like a fantastic change, and that's the idea, how to, one, make something quickly, but something that also helps your psychology. It's different, it tastes different, it's a different meat. Yes, it's fish. You've got all these different things, and that's how you maintain a lifestyle of keto and being creative. So you can see for the tuna mayo lettuce wraps, we understand that that's going to take no more than about 5 to 10 minutes maximum. This is easy to prepare. All you've got to do is drain the tuna and then mix it together with the mayo, mix it with the things you've cut up and the cheese. Bam, put it, we wash the lettuce leaves, done. That's about 5 to 10 minutes, guys. Absolutely awesome. So meal number 4, guys. Here we go. Steak and butter greens. What you can see here, you've got net carbs at 1.9 grams. 1.9 grams of net carbs. You have fat and protein there as well, guys. Always conducive, always awesome for a keto diet. They will give you the satiety that you're seeking. Quick and easy to cook. You're talking about very quick amount of time to cook these. There's no time, 10 to 15 minutes. I personally think I could throw this out in no more than 10 minutes, say. You can see here it's low in carbs. You've got a ribeye steak, 0 grams. So you can see the steak and butter greens. It's only going to take you maybe 5 to 10 minutes. These can be done really quickly. If you've got 2 pans out, you're cooking the steak, cooking the greens, absolutely no problem whatsoever. So what you want to see here is it's fantastic. You've got your ribeye steak, you've got spinach, kale, butter, garlic minced, and salt and pepper to taste. 1.9 grams net carb, absolutely awesome for a keto diet. Fantastic, it's fantastically tasty as well. Okay guys, moving on to number 5. Here we have rotisserie chicken with avocado salad. Now this is going to take a maximum 5 to 10 minutes. Why? The rotisserie chicken is already cooked. You can buy them in many different places. So you've got your rotisserie chicken there, you've got all your salads. It's only 2.9 grams of net carb, absolutely awesome. You can see obviously this is fantastic, it's budget friendly. You can have a look here, you've got 0 carbs for the rotisserie chicken. Most of the carbs you've got comes from the avocado, but they're super healthy and full of your electrolytes. You've got mixed salad leaves, cherry tomatoes, red onion, olive oil, lemon juice, and salt and black pepper to taste. So these are really conducive and fantastic. 2.9 gram carbs, amazing. Okay guys, I hope you like these top 5 meals for busy people. Hope you like these top 5 lunches for busy people. I hope you like these top 5 lunches for busy people on keto. So guys, thumbs up please and subscribe. Also guys, if you have any questions, please pop them in the comments and I'll see you on the next one.